Okay, now we're in Wharton, New Jersey, and here's one that certainly is a problem. The actual steel broke. Let's go take a look. Hi everyone, and thank you for watching. Real quick, just want to mention, if you use the code SUMMER10, you can receive 10% off your next service call, or the code SUMMER50, you can receive $50 off the purchase of a new door. Just mention those codes when you're talking with us and enjoy some summer savings. Okay, thanks, and back to the video. So you can see with the spring hot, it actually snapped right where it's bolted to the end track there at these thinner, cheaper steel. So we're gonna put some stronger steel here and get that going. But first things first, we gotta suspend that hang. So when we lift the door up to get tension off that spring, because it's hot and dangerous, I'll have something supporting the door. So let's get that going. Let's get a ladder and some steel. All right, so now we got the door up. We got a piece of fresh steel holding this together. Now the tension's off the spring. Now we can safely take the rest of this apart and put it back together. So we got the down piece, now to go, a new ceiling piece, and kicker, all with our stronger, much better steel than whatever that was. Now get the spring back together and hook back up, and it should be all set. Alrighty. So, new hang, spring's back in place. Good as new. All right, so we got that all fixed up in Wharton, New Jersey. On to the next one.